2.5 million people are diagnosed with cancer every year. You're probably thinking about tumors, chemo, and radiation. But what about the hidden force behind cancer? Meet chromothripsis, a catastrophic event that shatters chromosomes. It's like a puzzle, your DNA, being thrown in the air. The pieces land randomly, creating a new picture, and this picture is cancer. For instance, in the case of chronic lymphocytic leukemia, research has shown that up to 5% of patients have chromothripsis, resulting in a poorer prognosis. You won't believe what happens next. Your cells are dividing right now, and in a split second, this chromothripsis event can occur, changing the course of your life. Think about it, the complexity of your DNA, with its 3 billion base pairs, can be rearranged in an instant. Surprisingly, chromothripsis can also occur in healthy individuals, with some studies suggesting that it may be a natural process that our bodies can usually correct. But when it goes wrong, the consequences can be devastating. The more we learn about chromothripsis, the more we realize how intricate and delicate the balance of our genetic code is. You're about to dive into the chaotic world of chromothripsis. It's like a game of cellular Jenga, remove one block, and the whole structure collapses. In this case, the block is a chromosome, and when it breaks, the cell tries to repair it. But sometimes, the repair process goes horribly wrong. You get a new, abnormal chromosome, and this is where cancer starts. Take the case of chronic myeloid leukemia, where a specific chromosomal abnormality, the Philadelphia chromosome, is found in about 90% of patients. This abnormality is the result of a chromothripsis event that fuses two genes, BCR and ABL, creating a potent cancer-causing protein. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve a nail, but chromothripsis is like a nuclear bomb for your cells. Interestingly, research has shown that some cancer cells can even exploit chromothripsis to their advantage, using it to develop resistance to chemotherapy. You might be surprised to know that scientists have discovered that some species of turtles have a unique ability to tolerate chromothripsis, with some species having up to 25% of their cells exhibiting chromosomal abnormalities, yet they rarely develop cancer. Meet the scientists, the ones who've been digging deep to understand the intricacies of chromothripsis. They've discovered that it involves specific molecules like TP53 and BRCA1, which are like the guardians of your genome, constantly on the lookout for any anomalies. When they fail, chromothripsis occurs, and it's a game changer. You have 2.4 million red blood cells per second, a staggering number that's hard to wrap your head around. But when chromothripsis happens, your cells start to mutate at an alarming rate. It's like a ticking time bomb, waiting to unleash its fury. Take the example of Angelina Jolie, who underwent a preventative double mastectomy due to her BRCA1 mutation. She's not alone. According to the National Cancer Institute, about 72,000 women in the U.S. are diagnosed with breast cancer each year, with 5 to 10% of those cases linked to BRCA1 mutations. Surprisingly, research has shown that chromothripsis can also occur in the absence of these mutations, making it an even more complex phenomenon. The question is, can you stop it? The answer lies in the science, and scientists are working tirelessly to uncover the secrets of chromothripsis, one molecule at a time. Here's the deep dive. Chromothripsis is not just random, it's a complex process involving multiple steps, like an intricate dance of genetic mutations. You have to understand the science to appreciate the complexity. Take the case of leukemia, for instance, where chromothripsis has been observed in about 5% of cases, with some studies suggesting it's more prevalent in certain subtypes, like acute myeloid leukemia. It's like a puzzle with multiple pieces, and when you solve it, you get a new picture. This picture is the key to cancer treatment, and researchers are working tirelessly to understand the underlying mechanisms. Your brain is wired to respond to patterns, and chromothripsis is like a pattern disruptor, changing the game. Interestingly, did you know that chromothripsis can also occur in healthy individuals, with one study finding that up to 25% of healthy cells can exhibit chromothripsis-like mutations? It's a surprising fact that challenges our understanding of this complex process. As you delve deeper into the world of chromothripsis, you'll begin to appreciate the intricate web of genetic mutations that underlie this phenomenon, and how it's reshaping our approach to cancer treatment. This is happening in your body right now. Your cells are dividing, and chromothripsis is a possibility. You can't see it, but it's there. Like a silent killer. The good news is that scientists are working on a solution. They're developing new treatments that target chromothripsis. For instance, researchers at the University of California, San Francisco, have made significant progress in understanding the genetic mutations that lead to chromothripsis, with one study identifying over 1,000 genetic mutations in a single patient. You might be wondering, what can you do to prevent it? The answer is simple. You can start by understanding your family history. It's like a map to your genetic destiny. Did you know that certain genetic disorders, like Li-Fraumeni syndrome, can increase your risk of chromothripsis by up to 50%? Surprisingly, some scientists believe that chromothripsis may also play a role in the development of certain types of cancer, such as leukemia. By knowing your family history, you can take proactive steps to reduce your risk. You can also stay informed about the latest research and advancements in the field. It's time to take control of your genetic health. Most doctors get this wrong. They think chromothripsis is just a random event. But it's not. It's a complex process with multiple factors. You have to consider the science to understand the truth. It's like a myth-busting mission. You're on a quest to uncover the facts. The truth is, chromothripsis is not just about bad luck. It's about understanding the science. Your immune system is like a superhero. It fights off invaders. But chromothripsis is like a supervillain. It can outsmart your immune system. In 2011, two scientists made a groundbreaking discovery that would challenge our understanding of evolution. They found that chromothripsis is not just about cancer, but a fundamental process that can create new species. For instance, research on the Australian tiger snake has shown that chromothripsis played a key role in its evolution, resulting in a species with a highly toxic venom. You see, chromothripsis can shatter and reassemble DNA, leading to rapid changes that can give rise to new traits. It's a game changer. The rules of evolution are being rewritten, and it's fascinating. You're probably thinking, what does this mean for you? The answer is simple. It means that chromothripsis is not just a disease, but a natural process that occurs in your body. Your body is like a laboratory, where experiments are constantly taking place. Chromothripsis is like an experiment gone wrong, but surprisingly, it can also lead to the creation of new cells with unique properties. In fact, did you know that some scientists believe that chromothripsis may have played a role in the emergence of new human species, such as the Denisovans, who interbred with both Neanderthals and modern humans? You'll repeat this to someone tomorrow. Chromothripsis is not just about cancer. It's about understanding the science. The question is, what's next? Will you be able to stop chromothripsis? Consider the case of Liam Connor, a patient who underwent genetic testing and was found to have a chromothripsis-related condition. His treatment involved a combination of therapies that targeted the specific genetic mutations. The answer lies in the future. You have to stay tuned to find out. Your life is like a story. Chromothripsis is like a plot twist. It changes everything. Think about it. Your cells are the main characters. What's their next move? Interestingly, research has shown that chromothripsis can occur in up to 5% of all cancer cases, with some studies suggesting that it may be more prevalent in certain types of cancer, such as sarcomas. You might be surprised to know that chromothripsis can also occur in non-cancerous cells, which can have significant implications for our understanding of this phenomenon. As scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of chromothripsis, you can bet that the story of your cells will become even more fascinating. The plot thickens, and you're a part of it.